Is it time to buy or sell Pfizer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Pfizer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of December, 2024, our system has categorized Pfizer as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.64. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with a gain of 0.56%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock currently hovers at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $27.07 could initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may signal the first indication of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of around 11.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 24.66% to a decrease of 10.67%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a slight decline of 0.76% over the next year, with potential returns between a decrease of 8.51% and an increase of 15.58%. This translates to a price range of $24.57 to $31.05 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Pfizer includes the headline: Pfizer stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The Pfizer stock price decreased by 1% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January 25, dropping from $27.13 to $26.86. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.13%, reaching a low of $26.23 and a high of $27.05. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.56% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 35 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $930,042,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $31.54, while the lowest was $24.48. Currently, the price sits 14.84%, or $4.68, below the 52-week high, and 56.47%, or $34.85, below the all-time high of $61.71 achieved on the 20th of December, 2021. Pfizer stock has faced recent pressure, closing at $26.91, marking a decline of 0.83%. Despite broader market gains, this drop signals potential investor caution amid ongoing concerns about its future performance. Analysts categorize Pfizer among the safer dividend stocks, suggesting it could provide a net gain ranging from 16.27% to 32.98% by January 2026. This potential could drive short-term interest from dividend-focused investors. However, increased competition from alternatives like Johnson & Johnson, which offers more robust growth prospects, may weaken Pfizer's appeal. Moreover, the warning issued by the FDA regarding the neurological risks associated with Pfizer's RSV vaccines could introduce significant volatility to its stock. This regulatory scrutiny might heighten concerns among investors, particularly those focused on long-term stability and safety. Looking ahead to the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, scheduled for January 13th, investor sentiment could shift positively if Pfizer presents strong strategies or new data, impacting both its stock price and perceived value. Analyst ratings on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned PFE a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned PFE a market perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned PFE a market perform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned PFE an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned PFE an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Pfizer stock a general buy rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book value as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts are giving the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Pfizer. The Pfizer stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $26.72 and $25.97. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 8.32%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. Notably, trading volume increased alongside declining prices yesterday, serving as an early warning for potential shifts. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Pfizer. Pfizer finds support from accumulated volume at $26.43, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 82 cents, which is 3.13% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Pfizer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often found in companies with long-standing performance or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.48. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Pfizer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Pfizer stands at $27.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Pfizer faces its first support level at $26.43. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Pfizer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the last day of the year, 2024, James C. Smith made an insider purchase of 1,696,193 shares of phantom stock units. On the last day of the year, 2024, Cyrus Taraporevala made an insider purchase of 1,413,494 shares of phantom stock units. On the last day of the year, 2024, Rady A. Johnson executed an insider purchase of 7 shares of phantom stock units, SSP. On the last day of the year, 2024, James Quincy made an insider purchase of 1,460,611 shares of phantom stock units. On the last day of the year, 2024, Shantanu Narayan performed an insider purchase of 1,884,659 shares of phantom stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.230. In total, insiders acquired 2,055,254 shares and sold 2,046,647 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.09, representing a decline of 2.86%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 35 days ago. Is Pfizer stock a good buy? Pfizer shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 10th of January, we anticipate that Pfizer will open lower, down by approximately 14 cents, starting at $26.71. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.